Hi everyone. So welcome. First of all, I wanna tell you that we are very happy that you continue here with us. And today we are going to see and study a very easy topic. I'm sure that you know this topic, you know it perfectly. That's why I'm doing this explanation in English. Okay? So just follow the structure and that's it, because this is very simple. I'm sure you know the past continuous tense. And also, I know that it's the same past continuous or past progressive. Okay, so it's exactly the same. So over there, that is my name. And we have here the level and the week. Remember, we are English 5, week 1. So what is the present, the past continuous? There we have, over here, the concept. The concept says to express an action that was in progress, okay, that we were doing. An ongoing past action was happening at a specific moment of interruption. Okay, so sometimes you can listen, or you can use simple past and past progressive at the same sentence. For example, you can say, I was watching the TV when my cell phone rang. If you see, you can understand that you were doing an action in progress and then you stopped, okay, that action because you did or you had to do another action, okay? But in your homework, you're gonna need just the past continuous. You don't need to mix them. You are going to use only this one, okay? You're gonna use only past progressive. So you know how to structure. You know that for past continuous, you have the verb to be, and the verb to be is going to be in past, okay? So was and were. You're gonna use this verb to be in past, and the subjects are for person, was, and third person, he, she, it, is the same, was, and for all the plural person, you have to use were. Examples, according with the structure, you start with the question where, then the verb to be, subject, verb in gerund, and the complement. Okay? So remember, it's not necessary to use all the time the question word. You're gonna use the question word just when you want to make a specific question, when you want a specific information. You know, what, where, why. All the question words are to get a specific information. That's why I have it in parentheses, because it's not necessary all the time, okay? Just sometimes. What is necessary from here to the end, okay? So the example, it says, what were you doing yesterday? Okay? So we use were because it's plural. The verb, as you see, it's in blue, okay? Because we have to remember that we have to use the gerund. The gerund is just to add ing to the verb, doing, drinking, working, okay? And that's it. That's why it's so simple. Example 2, was he drinking alcohol? Okay, if you see here, we are not using question word. Not all the time is necessary. Now answer, okay? Let's answer the first question. So what were you doing yesterday? The answer, I was working yesterday. It could be, I was studying, I was reading, okay? Any information that you can say, remember, during a period of time. The answer of question 2, was he drinking alcohol? Yes, he was drinking alcohol, okay? Just follow the elements and that's it, okay? Just follow the elements and you can make the affirmative, interrogative, and also the negative. There, let's continue with the negative. So we have no, the subject, to be, we add the word not, verb in gerund, as you see, gerund, in the three forms, and the complement, okay? So let's start again. What were you doing yesterday? I was not working yesterday. Okay? Was he drinking alcohol? No, he was not drinking alcohol. Okay? So, what is the difficult part here? There is no difficult part here. Just have to remember that was is for the subjects and where are for these subjects. Okay? So, let's check now your exercise for homework and to see some other examples. Okay, so this is your homework. So if you can see, this is a questionnaire, and this is you're gonna find this like this, exactly like the same in your homework, and it says in Spanish. But this is like the introduce is on the topic. Yesterday at 9, everyone was making something. What were they doing? Okay, so it is telling you that you have to describe the actions that somebody or these persons were doing during a period of time. Okay, so this is right the correct form of the past progressive. Just have to use here the affirmative. Okay, here again, and some of them are gonna be in interrogative. Just follow the structure that I explained you before. Okay, and it's very simple. Richard, we have work on his computer at 9 o'clock yesterday. Okay, so we know that Richard is the person. We are sure that Richard is he. So the only thing that we have to do here is to add the verb to be. You know that the verb to be for third person, you have to use is, and then the verb adding ing. Okay? So the right form here, the right answer is Richard is working on his computer at 9. Okay, so be careful. That is continuous in present. Okay? We are saying past progressive. Okay? So what happened with the past progressive? Remember, we changed is for was. And that's it. Okay? So Richard was working on his computer at 9 o'clock yesterday. Remember. Okay? This is past progressive. So be careful. We use Richard, the person. We use was. First person, we use was. Plural person, like Lucy and Tom, so we have to use were. Okay, so just be careful with that, and that's it. It's not complicated because just have to use was or were, and also the verb in adding ing. Okay, now let's check more examples. All of them are the same. Okay, so you have to use was, were. Only here, in the final section, you have the elements and you have to make the interrogative, the questions. Okay, so you have in some of them the question word and some don't. Okay, it's the same. Just follow the structure that I teach you. Okay, and that's it. For example, here, what were you doing yesterday at 6? And that's it. Okay, here, the piano when you came home. Was game practicing? Okay, the piano when you came home, and that's it. Please, if you don't have enough space, you can write. You can put more space for you, okay, or to complete, because I need to see all the structure in each of them. Okay, so that's it. I hope you can do it perfectly. If not, you can contact me and I will help you anytime. Good day.